traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Aussie dollar, we've been going down pretty strong. We got a trend line we got to keep an eye on, but it may end up bouncing there, or it may end up actually going down and making a new low before it actually does go up. Let me explain on the weekly time frame. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is very, very clearly three waves down, very, very clearly three waves up. So we're either now going to end up making 1, 2, 3 waves down for a 3-3-3 pattern, or we're likely to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a 3-3-5 pattern. So either way, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still technically down on the daily. We don't have a bigger structure. This move up right here never broke structure. We don't have a significant higher low. The trend is definitely still down as of now. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now we did break structure on the 4 hour time frame for sure. So we do know for a fact that this last wave right here is over. Now that doesn't necessarily mean that it is definitely trend reversal and it's definitely going to go up and take out the highs. A break of structure may actually tell you that it's just a correction to the last wave down. So likely this is actually just another A, B, C correction forming right now, which may end up looking something like that. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, we do have a break of structure, so we are definitely looking for swords. But notice this shape right here. Has anybody ever seen that shape right there in the financial markets? Looks like 5 waves up, doesn't it? Now, this may be a wave A, and if that is a wave A, then this move down is actually the beginning of a wave B, which probably will take out that low right there. And then we would probably get another big push up to maybe the 50 or the 61% for a wave C. So, like I said, this may just end up being a correction to the last down move, the last downtrend. So, we're either in an A or a 1, we're either looking at a B or a 2, and we're probably going to either make a wave 3 or a wave C. So, luckily, a wave B and a wave 2 is traded exactly the same, so the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B as it would be for a wave 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.